Happy 18th birthday to you, and I wish more birthdays to come.
May I request Angkor Virani to come.
Many happy return of the day. Happy birthday.
And last, may I request the father of the debutant, Mr. Celso.
Yay!
That means I love you. First of all, good evening, everyone. I could not imagine that I old already because I have a daughter, 18 years old already. So, but anyway, I'm so glad that I have a daughter, nice and kindly. So all I have to say is happy birthday, Ate, and then I love you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Celso. And now use the debutant to say her thank you message to everyone.
Thank you.
Surprise!
Thank you very much.
Oh, she's okay.
She's shy, yeah.
Okay, that's all, folks. Enjoy the party and have a good night.
Okay.
Pagkain na yata eh.
So you can now enjoy the supper prepared by the family.
Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayong
Maligayang bati.
cake pala.
Maligayang bati. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Hindi ka naman patugtog. Pwede ba yun, Tim?